Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So anyways, the euro dollar did go down pretty much perfectly to the beginning of that gap right there, filled the gap nicely from the market open on Sunday. I think what we actually have here is most likely a crescent to the move down. I think this is actually one, two, three waves up, which is three waves of A. I think this is one, two, three waves down, which is three waves of B. And I think we're looking at an expanding or an extended wave C. So an expanding flat is what I think we have. Most likely place for an expanding flat to go is the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the bottom of wave B. The wave B is a lower low than the trend. The wave C is a higher high than the wave A. Definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat. My overall bias on the higher time frames is still down, so I think there's a pretty good chance this is an expanding flat. That would make this right here either a wave 1 or a wave A. This would be an expanding flat wave B or wave 2, and I think this is more likely going to continue down for either a wave C, which would likely go down, make a higher low, and then go back up, or possibly it really is a wave 3, and if it really is a wave 3, then it potentially would continue to make lower lows, lower highs, probably taking out those lows on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.